Hi there, here we have a late 2015 Mitsubishi L200. It's finishing like a gunmetal grey colour. It's the Warrior, it's a 2.4 turbo diesel, it's the new generation pickup. 180 brake horsepower, 3,100 kilogram capable tow vehicle. Yeah, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's got black leather upholstery. I'll take you around and show you it. So it's got some good tyres here on the front, alloy wheels, fitted side steps. Got privacy glass on the rear glass units. Another good tyre on the back, same make. So there's no tow bar on this truck. It's got a rear bumper step, has fitted camera from the factory, which is really handy, obviously for reversing and hooking up a trailer. It's got a fitted tonneau on this truck. And body liner, some internal tie hooks as well. So another same branded tyre, good, lots of pattern on it, all but new really. Side steps and the same on the front again. Looks really good in this metallic, dark metallic grey. So airbags in the seat, heated seat, electric seats, selectable four-wheel drive, runs two-wheel drive, rear wheels are driving, select four-wheel drive as and when you need it. 6-speed manual gearbox, heated seats are there, auxiliary plug-in, digital climate control. This on this head unit here is a digital radio, reverse camera and sat nav. Bluetooth telephone, answer on the steering wheel, cruise control on the steering wheel. It's got lane control, just an indication that you're leaving the lane you should be in. Can bleep up, but that can be deactivated if you press that button. Light adjust on there as well if you're towing something heavy. Retractable electric mirrors. Start the engine here. Nice roomy cabin, just like a nice SUV. Four-door electric windows can be operated from the driver's door. In the rear, electric windows, isofix seating. That rear seat will fold down. There's some tools behind there. Just a nice cabin. That's it, all the lights come on, all the lights go off. One light should be on, that's to tell me this to put a seatbelt on. Two green lights are on just to tell us the rear wheels are going to drive, and then the other wheels, the rest of them will indicate as you put in your four-wheel drive. That's the lane control turned off. Reverse camera there. Come out of reverse. That's all your settings for. It's a sat nav. And then audio. It's on digital. So this Mitsubishi is available here at Cross Country 4x4. We're in Market Lavington Village near Devizes in Wiltshire. You're more than welcome to come and visit us and view this truck and test drive it. We will consider a part exchange on this Mitsubishi. We can give quotes for finance on this Mitsubishi, and we can quote to have it delivered to your area as well. But it's always much better to come out and visit us and see the truck in person. This truck will be serviced. It's got a long MOT on it already. Yeah, April next year MOT. So please do give us a ring on 01380 818 311. Thank you very much for looking.